everyone, welcome to We Belong. In today's video, I will show you how to create a solution in Power Apps step by step. So whether you are working on an app, a flow, or Dataverse tables, using solution helps you organize, manage, and move your work across environments. So before we start the step-by-step process on how to create the solution, let's first define what is a solution in Power Apps means. A solution is a in Power Apps is a container that helps you organize, manage, and move different components like Canvas app, model-driven apps, Power Automate flows, Dataverse tables, and custom connectors and plugins, security roles and business rules, and so on. So, why we use solutions or why solutions are important? So, imagine you are developing a Power Apps project for a company. Your app connects to Dataverse, uses automated workflows, has security roles for different users. So instead of manually transferring each component one by one, a solution allows you to package everything together and move it between environment like dev, where you build the app, the test, where QA teams check for bugs, and prod, where the live version used by employees or customers. So without solution, your risk for getting key components on or misconfiguring security. So with solution, everything stays organized, consistent, and easy to deploy. So there are two types of solution, the managed and unmanaged. So let's um, tackle first the unmanaged. So the unmanaged solution, this is where we used to um, develop or make an updates. You can edit, modify, and delete components. Ideally, this is for testing and prototyping before the deployment. For example, a team is working on a new employee leave request. They build and tweak it within an unmanaged solution, adding workflows, UI changes, and business rules. So that is unmanaged solution. Next is for managed solutions. This is used when deploying to production. You cannot modify components directly after importing. So this is more secure and ensures no accidental changes. So an example for this is, for example, the developer already finished the employee leave request and it is ready for the company-wide use. The IT team export it as a managed solution and import it into the production environment. So now the employees can use the app, but developers cannot modify it without creating a new version. So that's the solution means. So now let's proceed with the step-by-step in creating of a solution in Power Apps. First is let's open a new tab and search for make that powerapps.com. There will be a pop-up or a prompt that we need to sign into our account. Let's just sign in with our account. Admin. Let's enter our password, then click sign in. And there is a authentication. In my case, I have authentication. And then after logging in, we will be navigated here on the Power Apps page. So this is what it looks like. So yeah, after logging in, let's just select the environment where we want to create our solution. So in my case, I would like to create my solution in the tutorial environment. Then after selecting the right environment, let's click on the solution on the left hand corner of our screen. And if this is your first time, this page might be empty, and that's normal. So here we can see the unmanaged solutions. So if we want to create a solution, let's just click the new solution on the upper left corner of our page, and then there will be a pop-up in the right corner, I mean. Let's just fill in the required details. Let's, for example, add tutorial solution as our display name. And for publisher, we can select the an existing publisher, or we will just have to create a new publisher. Let's try to create a tutorial publisher. Let's just copy the name of the publisher, and then for the prefix, it's too long. Let's just mm, tutorial. Okay, let's just have TRL. I can't think of any. So let's just save, and then after saving, just click cancel, and then it will be the the publisher that we have created will be automatically selected in our publisher. And for the version, just let's just keep it as is and nothing else. Then just Let's just click create. And that's it. Now your solution is ready, but it's empty. Let's add some components. So you can add, so inside your new solution, you can now add components like Canvas app or model-driven apps, Power Automate flows, Dataverse, and custom connectors. So these are the components that you can add. It's either you can add an existing components or you can add new components. So let's try to add a new components. Let's try to create a Canvas app, for example. Um, let's try to add product registration. In our next video, we will have a tutorial on how to create your first app from scratch. This is the one, I think. So just click create and there you have it. For now, let's just save this one since we don't have a plan to create a new application for now. Okay, let's just go back to our solution. Huh. So there you have it. We have our first component added on our solution. So just a tip, if you're building something from scratch, always do it inside a solution because in that way it's already packaged properly. And that's it. Now you know what a solution in Power Apps is, the difference between managed and unmanaged solutions, and how to create and add components. If this video was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Power Apps tutorials. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments and let me know what Power Apps topic you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Keep powering up. Bye.